Okay, here's something I haven't done for a while. We've got a polynomial with a factor of x minus 1 and another fact about something dividing it by this and getting a remainder. So we're going to play around with some algebraic long division. It's going to be really good fun. What this means is that x minus 1 divides exactly into there. That's what a factor means. And x minus 2 doesn't, but you get this remainder. So let's give it a go. See if I can remember how to do it. X cubed minus 4x squared plus ax plus b is my question. X minus 1, I'm going to divide into it like that. And the question is, how many x's do I need to make x cubed? X times what makes x cubed? I would say it's probably x squared. So if I do x squared times x, I do indeed get x cubed. If I do x squared times minus 1, I get minus x squared. So think of it like this is what I've got so far by having this answer. So what I'm going to do is kind of combine these together. I already have this, but I want to have this, so I need to have another negative 3x squared, which is like doing this take away this to get here. This take away this gives you nothing. So, repeat. X times what gives me negative 3x squared? X times negative 3x gives me negative 3x squared. Okay, and we'll write that down there. Minus 1 times negative 3x gives me positive 3x. So, what have I got so far? Take that, take away that, and I've got nothing left. Good. Ax take away 3x is a bit messier. It's like a take away 3x. Right, so x times what gives me a take away 3x? X times a take away 3. So plus a take away 3 goes up there. And then I'm going to have a take away 3x, all well and good. And I'm going to have a take away 3 all times by minus 1. So I'm going to have negative a take away 3. And just to finish it all off, what have I got to deal with? Well, my leftover remainder at the end is going to be b take away negative a minus 3. So I'm going to have b plus a minus 3 left over at the end. Now, what we actually learned was that x minus 1 is exactly a factor, right? So what should happen is that this should be 0 remainder at the end. So here's an equation. I can't solve it yet because I don't know what b or a are. I need another equation to help me, but I've got more information. So, told you it'd be fun. We get to do it all again. Let's give it a go. So, right, now, I've got that polynomial is the same as it was before, x cubed minus 4x squared plus ax plus b. This time dividing by x minus 2. X minus 2, how many times do you go in here, please? So, x times what makes x cubed? That's x squared. X squared times this thing gives me x cubed minus 2x squared. This take away this, and I'm going to have like take away, so that's a positive. So that's like minus 2x squared. Okay, how do I get that from this? I multiply by negative 2x. So negative 2x, that times by x is minus 2x squared. That times by that is positive 4x. And I want to do this take away this. What do I get? I get a minus 4x. How do I generate this answer? It's a minus 4 times x. So plus a minus 4. Very good. A minus 4x comes from this times this. This times this gives me negative 2 lots of a minus 4. Right. So what is my remainder, my leftover going to be? It's b, sorry, can't see that, b, take away that, take away a negative becomes positive. So I've got b plus 2 lots of a minus 4. And my remainder apparently equals negative 12. So that bit there equals negative 12. And now I have two equations. I have that one there that I just found out. I have this one here that I found out earlier, which is fun because it's upside down. And I'm going to solve these two equations. So let me write them out more easily. That is one of the equations. Let's call it equation 1. And equation 2 that I just got, b plus 2a plus negative 8, take away 8 equals negative 12. Okay, so from here to here, the easiest thing I can see to do would be to do something like 2 take away 1. So b take away b, 2a take away a, and that's going to be just 1a. Negative 8 take away negative 3. Let's be careful there. So minus and minus is a plus. Negative 8 and then go up by 3 and you get to negative 5. Okay, and we did that one, take away that one, so negative 12. And I know that a, by adding 5 both sides, is going to be negative 7. Substitute it back into, say, 1. Let's tell the examiner what we're doing so we can get our marks, please. Sub into 1. Negative 7, so I've got b plus negative 7 take away 3 equals 0. So b take away 10 equals 0. So I'm going to say that b is probably 10. And again, we could check by putting 10 there, negative 7 there, and checking that this works out, which it does. So there we go. Divide algebraic long division twice, get two equations, solve them simultaneously to find a and b.